Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to take my old video suite, which is kind of cramped, and show you how I made my new editing suite setup that made it a lot more efficient and gave me a lot more room to do bigger unboxings and other stuff. So let's get started, shall we? A discount store and got a cheap but looks like fairly sturdy desk. And the cool thing about this one is not only does it have for the keyboard, but you can pull this to the side, and I'm gonna do that and keep it permanent to the side that way. And since I'm right-handed, I can go ahead and do the mouse, and it has a nice little area here. I can just rest my arm, won't get fatigued when I do my editing. And then where I have this stuff over here, I'll have that fairly empty so that I can do unboxings right on the table. And on the bottom of the desk, it does have a mount for the computer itself, so that'll free up some room.
Many hours later.
And there we have it. The studio thus far. And then over where I did have the studio, we have a nice open space. Set up some cameras. Over here maybe a tripod to shoot down. And I have a place to do some unboxings if I need to. Or to do some other work. So I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? So where did I get this desk? Or actually, my youngest son had this desk and decided he really didn't need it. So I confiscated it before it got thrown out. But originally, we got this at, it was either Walmart or Big Lots discount store. I'm pretty sure it was Big Lots. So yeah, it doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money for you to get something that you could really use and need. Now under here, if you notice, I have the computer off to the side. There is carpet and then wood. So there is a little bit of a gap there to get some air circulation in there, which is really the main issue. I wanted to make sure. Even though that is water cooled, it also does have some fans inside to help cool it off. And then I put my power supply where the computer usually goes. And the reason why I didn't put that over here, as you can see, my tower is quite big. And it didn't fit on the base up to the bottom of the desk. So that's just a slight modification setup that I had. And there you go. Oh, and this is my Rodecaster. I hope this helps with an idea of how all the equipment I got kind of works together and how you might be able to set one up too. And as always, have a great day.